on YouTube. So I've been asked a question, what does my drone sound like? Let's dig into the video. Alright, YouTube. So yeah, man, I've been asked a couple times, what my drone sound like in my car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give y'all a couple basic driving of what it sounds like in automatic. But like I tell a lot of you guys in my videos, I use my paddle shifters a lot, man. Because like I said, I can control my drone with the paddle shifters. The drone isn't that bad as some make it out to be. Like I say, it pretty much idles out right around 4th gear, 5th gear. It kind of idles down to where you can barely hear it. But do be advised, man, you did change your mufflers out, and you did take your resonators off, so you're gonna have somewhat of a drone. Is it tolerable? Yes, my drone is very tolerable. Like I said, when I'm in auto, the only thing I hate about when I'm in automatic is the pull. Like, the pull sounds it sounds weird. Like it's like it's like a humming sound. Compared to when it's in in manual, which I will show you. So right now we're in first, and now it's in second. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Third. Like I said, I'm finna get on the highway so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. Yes, I'm in my work clothes, man. So now I'm in 4th gear, now I'm in 5th. And that's what I was meaning by when I say I'm in 5th gear, that the drone sound kind of goes away as it's switching gears. Now I'm in 7th gear. Like I said, you can barely hear it. And so you can imagine if you have your radio on. I barely have my radio on because they talk too much. But yeah, as you can see, now I'm in 8th gear, and you can barely hear the drone in my car. Now, excuse me. Oh man, checking about. So now if I was to step on it while in automatic, and I was in automatic, as you can see, I'm still in automatic. When I step on it, yes, it does. You can actually hear the exhaust and the cold air at the same time. But I thought I would shoot a quick video on what the drone sounds like in my vehicle. I rate my drone probably maybe about a 6, if that, as far as like loud wise in there. But like I say, I put the mufflers on to hear the engine, so, or if that makes sense, to actually hear what the engine sound like. As you see on what it sounds like while it's idling, that's what my car sounds like all day idling. No, there's no change. Oh, my pitch got lower. No, that's my regular pitch. When the car is just sitting at idle, when it's hot, that's the original idle of it. For those that's asking, what did I add? Of course, y'all know I did the Cherry Bomb Extremes, item number 7426 on Amazon. You can go to Amazon and get those mufflers. I did the Cherry Bomb Extreme mufflers on my exhaust. But that was a quick pull that I did on just in automatic. Once we get open, once I get an open space, I don't know why so much traffic up here in Charlotte at 1 o'clock on a Saturday. But yeah, once I get up where it's open at, I'll put it in manual, let you hear the difference of the drone inside the car and stuff like that. But yeah, all I did, man, like I said, a cold air intake, which is by Spectrum. You can go probably AutoZone and get a cold air intake for your car, man. Y'all ain't got to go out and spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a cold air intake that pretty much does the same damn thing. Facts is facts, fiction is fiction. So, I mean, if you want to buy K&N, go ahead and do it. I mean, you'll get the same performance as any other, cold air intake. Argue with me about it, but you're gonna get the same performance. It ain't nothing no special. You just, one is just bigger than the other. You're sucking in more cold air. At the end of the day, depends on your throttle body, how big your throttle body is. So with that being said, I'm not gonna go and debate about that, but you choose what you choose, you get what you want. If you want to spend more, spend more. This channel is about, trying to get guys to go out and fix things, put things on their cars where they are affordable. Another thing, I know there's more things y'all been asking about. I'm trying to hit them one on, piece by piece, but at the same time, like I said, YouTube is not just my only job, well, my only hobby. I do have a boat. Well, I do boat tours, and I also have my clothing line, which is I'm pushing. So there's other things that I'm doing than just sitting around playing video games and stuff like that, and just YouTube. And I do have a career. But yeah, like I say, man, this is my normal ride in this vehicle, how it sounds, and when I'm just in automatic and in traffic. Gas wise, somebody else asked me that. What does my gas per miles look like? So right now, I haven't been driving my car for about a week because I've been in Florida. So right now, what is that now? So right now, it's sitting at 18.7 miles per gallon. That's where I'm at right now. As you see, I'm almost close to 20,000 miles on the vehicle. So I have a video coming up for that, 20,000 miles, what to expect. But I want to get open so I can show you guys what it sounds like in manual. It's a totally different sound. For those of you that don't have manual, I'm so sorry. But yeah, it's a totally different aggressive feel once you put the car in sport and you switch over to manual. The exhaust does get a little louder. The idle gets a little louder. So like I said, it just depends on if you're a family man. I don't see how you're a family man with a two-seater, cause that's basically what this Challenger is a two-seater. My daughter, she doesn't like it in the back, but luckily she's to the age now where she can sit up front in her booster seat. But the Challenger is not, I recommend if you're a family man, the Challenger is not the car to go, due to the simple fact the seating in the back is real small, and she's 4, and her feet touch the back of the seats, and that's uncomfortable. So you can imagine somebody 6'2", 6'3", and above trying to get back there, but other than that, man, the drone is durable with what the setup I went with. Like I said, I went with the Cherry Bomb Extremes mufflers, item number 7426. One in, one out. What I mean by one in, one out is there's your muffler. On one end, there's a pipe that goes in. On the other end, there's a pipe that goes out. That's what I mean by when I say one in, one out. I know a lot of you ask me, man, what's one in, one out? On some of the mufflers, you'll see it'll have 2 in, 1 out. So no, that's for those that's trying to go dual exhaust. Well, trying to go true dual. Mine's is automatic true dual, so I didn't have to change nothing. I kept the X pipe in. So what I did, I had them cut out my mid mufflers, replace those mid mufflers, each one of them with a Cherry Bomb Extreme muffler, and I straight piped it from there all the way back. I had them cut off my resonators. Please take the resonators off, because if not, that's a waste of time putting the Cherry Bomb Extreme mufflers on, or the Flowmasters Super 10s on. That's pretty much a waste. Why would you come over here, truck? But yeah, that's pretty much a waste of you doing the whole setup, and then you hit me up, be like, hey man, mine don't sound nothing like yours. Well, you got to take the resonators off. How much I paid total to have that done, I was right at, I want to say $325, and I went to a place in Gastonia. Like I say, if you want to know about that place, if you're in the Charlotte or the Rock Hill or whatever area, nearby, check out my main video that has, you know, what I did to my exhaust, or, you know, something about the mufflers. Check out that video. It's the one that got 40-something views on it, 40,000-something views on it. That's the one you want to check out. You can see the whole setup, how they did it, if y'all really want to ask questions on it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm on my way to 1,000. I'm trying to get to that 1,000. I have my view time. I'm just now trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're pushing our way to 1,000 subscribers. So much new content is coming. I'm trying to address as many questions I've been asked. I know I can't type as fast as I talk. Some of you guys have asked me, what's coming? What's coming? I can't say what's coming. The only thing I ask is you stay tuned to my Instagram. If you haven't followed me over there on Instagram, that's where I post a lot of my stuff first. What's coming, what's happening, what's going on. Also, that's at KAPITAL 4, the number 4 MA. So back to what I was saying with the drone. Now that I got a little opening, let's see. I'll switch it over to manual. And I'll let you guys see that I'm in manual. As you can see right now, I'm in 8th gear. So I'll show you the difference in the tone and the drone. And this is also with my windows up. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, I'm using my paddle shifters. These are what I use the most. I'll drop down. I'm in 8th. I'll drop down to 7th. That's the humming noise you hear in automatic sometimes. I'll drop down another gear. As you can tell, it gets louder. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but wait a minute. I'm trying to give y'all a good pull, but I got this truck. Now I'm in 4th. So wait a minute. Now, this is what I tell you guys about 4th gear. 4th gear, you're going to hear the most drone. Between 3rd and 4th, you're going to hear the most drone in your car. And that's in 4th. That's 3rd. Now, while in 3rd, you hear the cold intake more than anything, whistling, and then you hear the exhaust. I gotta switch hands right quick. But yes, as you can hear, I'm in 4th gear, and I don't know if y'all can hear the drone or not, but you pretty much can't hear the drone. You hear the engine and the exhaust more than anything. So what I'll do is I'm gonna gas it, let you see it. And then there's 5th. So that's what I mean by when I say in manual, the exhaust sounds different, totally different than automatic. When it's in automatic, the car is kind of, when the car's in automatic, it's kind of aggressive. I mean, it's kind of like, how can I put it? It's more, not sporty. It's more family, economy like. I'll put it that way. And that's not even in sport mode. That's just in basic mode, as you can see. And it sounds like that in basic mode. So that's what I was meaning by when I said, you know, the car sounds different in manual than automatic and all that. But I thought I would shoot a quick video. And like I said, man, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you playing for, man? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just hit the button. That's it, the little gorilla button over there in the corner. You know, just subscribe. It's free. Hit that little post notification bell right there. That way, when I post videos or when you see what's coming to the channel, you'll know what it is. So right now, I thought I would just shoot this little quick video, let y'all, you know, hear the difference. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but that's the difference that I have as drone wise in the vehicle. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Peace.